Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to organize your research articles using Notion, so you'll never lose track of a promising study or journal again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean, professional-looking workspace for all your articles, making your academic or personal research smoother and a whole lot less stressful. Let's jump right in. The very first thing we're going to do is pick out a free research articles template in Notion. Think of a template as your starting point, a foundation that's already designed to look polished and professional, so you don't have to spend ages setting things up from scratch. This is fantastic for streamlining the whole process, and don't worry, you can always change it up to suit your own style later. Here, how to find that template. Up in the top left corner of Notion, you'll see a little drop-down arrow, usually next to the name of your current workspace or page. Click on that and a new menu will appear with more options. Take your time here. Sometimes it's easy to miss these little icons, but once you spot them, the whole interface makes a lot more sense. Next, look for Browse Templates. You might have to scroll a little, but it's usually pretty prominent. This is where Notion keeps all its ready-made pages, almost like browsing through a library of layouts. In the search bar, type Research Articles or even just Research, and you'll see a handful of templates built specifically for organizing scholarly articles, papers, and journals. Go through the results and look for a template that fits your taste and workflow. Each one will have its own look and arrangement. Some focus on quick summaries. Others go deep with metadata like author names, publication dates, journals, and tags for easy searching later on. When you find one you like, just click Add, and Notion will instantly create a new page based on that template for you. Now comes the fun part, personalizing it. Every template starts with example fields like title, author, journal, maybe a section for links or citations, and even tags for sorting by topic. Take a glance and think about what you need most. For instance, if you're a medical student, you might want to add a field for type of study so you can easily spot reviews versus original research. Or if you're reading for a book project, maybe add a notes section to jot down ideas or connections. Notion makes it super easy to adjust these. Just click on the property title to rename it or add new ones with the simple plus button. Go ahead and start entering your articles. You can paste in full references, upload PDFs, link directly to online journals, even attach your personal notes or highlight key quotes. Remember, you can always come back and tweak things later, so don't stress if it's not perfect from the get-go. I find it helpful to batch add all your current articles first, just to see your collection laid out. You'll be amazed how much easier it is to scan and find things. If you ever get lost or want to change the template, you can always start again or add new features like color codes, sorting by date, or linking related articles together. Notion is flexible and it's all about making the workflow suit you. And that's it. You've now built your own streamlined research tracker in Notion, ready to keep your journal articles organized and easy to access whenever you need them. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and drop a comment below if you've got any questions or favorite tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more instructional videos. Happy researching!